Negotiable Instruments Act, Section 115, Droy in case of need. Section 115 of the Negotiable Instruments Act, 1881 deals with the concept of a droy in case of need in relation to a bill of exchange. The provision states that where a droy in case of need is named in the bill or in an endorsement upon it, the bill is not considered dishonored until it has also been dishonored by such droy in case of need. The section provides an additional safeguard against dishonor and is intended to protect the commercial credit and reliability of bills of exchange. 1. Meaning of droy in case of need. A droy in case of need is a person whose name is mentioned in a bill of exchange, or in an endorsement on it, to whom the holder may resort if the original droy refuses acceptance or payment. Such a person acts as an alternative source of payment or acceptance in order to avoid dishonor of the bill. The droy in case of need is generally named to provide additional security and confidence in commercial transactions. 2. Purpose of Section 115. The object of Section 115 is to provide another opportunity for a bill to be honored before it is finally treated as dishonored, thereby protecting the credit of parties connected with it. The provision reduces the risk of dishonor, facilitates smooth commercial dealings, increases confidence in negotiable instruments, and encourages payment through alternative arrangements. 3. Naming of droy in case of need. The droy in case of need may be named either in the bill itself or in an endorsement appearing on the bill. Such naming indicates that the holder should approach that person if the original droy fails to honor the bill when duly presented. 4. Position of droy in case of need. The droy in case of need is not the original droy but an auxiliary or substitute person designated in relation to the bill. His role becomes relevant only when the original droy refuses acceptance or payment, and he is called upon to act after such default. 5. Bill not immediately dishonored. The section specifically provides that a bill is not treated as dishonored immediately upon refusal by the original droy. The holder must first approach the droy in case of need, and only if that person also dishonors the bill does it become finally dishonored. 6. Importance of this rule. The rule is important because it gives the bill another opportunity to be honored while protecting parties from premature dishonor. It also preserves commercial reputation and credit, and therefore delays the final consequence of dishonor until all available remedies have been exhausted. 7. Obligation of holder. Where a droy in case of need is named, the holder should present the bill to that person after refusal by the original droy. Failure to do so may affect the holder's rights against certain parties because the bill is not legally dishonored until the droy in case of need also refuses acceptance or payment. 8. Commercial importance of droy in case of need. The concept is commercially important because it provides additional security in transactions, reduces the risk associated with dishonor, and enhances confidence in bills of exchange. It also protects the goodwill of merchants and traders and was historically especially useful in international and mercantile trade practices. For more details, contact us.